Hey everybody, my name is Rowdy and today we're going to be reading Leonard the Basketball Champion by Alma and Diana Sanchez and illustrated by Justin Dial. Leonard the Lion played lots of video games on his computer: soccer, karate, tennis. He was good at all the sports, but he was especially good at computer basketball. He was very proud of all his many athletic cyber achievements. I finally won the online championship. I've had such a fun day. One weekend, Leonard's friends came over to see if he wanted to join in a friendly tennis match. "Come to the tennis courts," Leonard said. "Mary, love Mariposa. It'll be fun." "Tennis? Sure, Mary," roared Leonard confidently. "I have the highest score in my video game league." However, after only 5 minutes of warm-ups, Leonard was already tired. "I'm so thirsty," he said, trying to catch his breath. Leonard sat down to drink an orange soda. Christina Cabral joined him on the bench and said, "Leonard, you may want to consider drinking water next time. Sugary sodas aren't good for your health." During the next break, Gabriel Gallo began talking about the new karate class he recently joined. "It's great exercise, almost as good as tennis," he said. "You're in karate class? I have the highest score on my kangaroo karate video game," Leonard proudly exclaimed. "I'd love to visit your class." "Of course you can come to karate class, Leonard. Yolanda Lama and I usually arrive at 7 o'clock. That night, Leonard met his friends for karate and he was excited to show Yolanda and Gabriel his awesome moves. But something was terribly wrong. Leonard had a lot of trouble with the high kicks and spins. "I don't understand," Leonard said. "In my video game, I have the highest karate kick and the best karate chop." Leonard was discouraged, so he sat down to eat his chocolate candy bar. Yolanda decided to encourage Leonard. She sat beside him and said, "Leonard, if you exercise regularly and eat healthy foods, your body will have enough energy to do anything you want. In fact, we'll be glad to help you." Leonard thought exercise would be more boring than playing his video games, but playing sports in real life was fun. He loved riding his bike and jumping on the trampoline with friends. The exercise made both his body and his heart much stronger. When he wanted a snack, Leonard chose to eat fruit with yogurt rather than candy bars. Instead of soda, he drank water. Every afternoon, Leonard had enough energy to practice basketball with Violet Velasquez. Leonard was now playing lots of games outside: soccer, karate, tennis. He was good at all the sports, but he was especially good at basketball. So I think what we learned from Leonard today is that sometimes trying new things can be discouraging, but whenever you play outside with your friends, it can also be a lot of fun. You can also get free books just like this at readconmigo.org. Thanks for reading with me today.